Welcome back to another video, everyone. If you're new here, my name is JoeBlack. Welcome to my channel. While you're here, just click that subscription button down below. Turn your post notification on so you will know whenever I post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thanks for coming back. You know, I really appreciate you guys. Today I'm gonna be making a sweet potato punch for you guys, right? Yeah, I'm gonna whip up a quick sweet potato punch, and you want ya after the gents them is eat, make something so we can go make it and go please the ladies them is eat. So ladies, nobody feel left out because me I make it for sure man them off to come and do a good work. So yeah, but me not gonna say so and talk you all day. Me soon come back.
Mark Law represent. Yeah, the same one. Money we are free for the hero. Money me are free to your share.
Guys, welcome back. These are the ingredients that I will be using in my sweet potato punch. Right? Here we have 2 sweet potatoes. I'll be using 1.5 or 1 depending on how it looks when I cut it. Right? And I'm gonna be using for sweetener some condensed milk, and the spices I have some mixed spice, some grounded cinnamon. I have about a tablespoon of allspice, that's pimento, right? I just grated that as well, and I have some what we call this nourishment Irish moss peanut punch, and I'm using dragon stout. You can use Guinness if you decide to try this. It's really up to you what one you like, right? And now we have some vanilla, and I have some oats, and I've been soaking these oats since yesterday, right? And I soak them in nourishment as well, right? And then we have rose water for flavoring, right? So these are the ingredients that I will be using in this potato punch, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna peel these potatoes off camera, and I'm gonna boil them, right? I'm gonna boil them so they're soft, so they're cooked before I blend them. So I'm gonna do all that off camera just to save a bit of time, and I'll come back to you, right? So don't go away, soon come back.
Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish. Go wish. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Go wish. Go wish.
So guys, this is our finished product, right? Our sweet potato punch. And trust me, this one is amazing. This one is lovely, right? If you've made it this far, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for sticking with me. And if you haven't subscribed already, click that subscription button and turn your post notification on so you can know whenever I post a video. Alright? And yeah, like this sweet potato punch is no joke, you know. This sweet potato punch is really good because, you know, sweet potato have some really good sexual benefits, right? Sweet potato is good for developing the sperm count. Sweet potato helps in maintain a longer erection. Sweet potato is so good. It's so good. So just check out the health benefits of a sweet potato and you will see that this sweet potato punch is no joke, yo. No joke. Yeah, it's a good sweet potato is really good for erectile dysfunction and all them stuff, low sperm count and all them stuff. So you can check it out. So thank you guys again for watching, and I just want to say I really appreciate the love, I really appreciate the support, and until next time, walk good. I love you.